Good morning, guys. I'm so out of breath, honestly. Climbing these hills here is actually ridiculous. We're actually just about to do a boat tour, which is super exciting. We're gonna go to some of the beaches and go and have a look at the volcano as well. So yeah, still out of breath. Oh my god, Jesus Christ! I swear I'm not this unfit. But yeah. Anyway, I'm already wearing my bikini. Got my little wrap skirt on from ASOS. So yeah, loving life. So we're currently just walking down the ridiculously long steps to the harbour, and there's all these like donkeys and stuff that you can ride on, and a lot of people that I've spoken to have said don't ride them because they're very ill-treated and stuff, so we haven't chosen to ride them, but they do actually look in quite good health. Like, they look pretty full, they look very well kept, like they've even got fresh clips and stuff, so yeah, I don't know, maybe it's a personal decision. They look in relatively good health, but I don't know, personally I like it, as Sam just pointed out, it's probably very bad on their joints. It looks really like clumpy work, like these steps are like long horrible clumpy steps, so I don't know, it's up to you. I've just come out of the hot springs, so definitely worth going to. It's really quite nice actually, really warm, and just lovely to just be able to just jump off a boat into the sea, and it's only like 20 euros for like 3 hours. We're seeing the hot springs and we're going to see the volcano next, so yeah, definitely worth doing. Just about to start walking up the volcano. Sam looks so happy about that. Look at that though, it's absolutely gorgeous, though it is a long way to the top. How are you feeling?
Hot.
I feel shattered. That's like over 1,000 meters up. Good exercise for the day. Absolutely shattered, and so we've come back to the room and I've got ice cream all around my lips. Lovely, and my hair looks very windswept, but you know, it's a look. So yeah, we're just gonna chill by the pool because we're so hot right now. Literally, we've got the aircon on, and where is it? There. And I'm still boiling.